Fairy berry pie. If you are looking for the perfectly delicious earthy berry pie recipe, then you have clicked the right video. I created this recipe almost 10 years ago. Since then, this recipe is a part of our family. This comfort dessert is perfect for all occasions. Let's learn this fairy berry pie recipe. Bismillah. For berry filling, you will need these ingredients: 5 cups of mixed berries, 2 ounces of butter, 1/3 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, pinch of nutmeg powder. In a wide pan, add all the ingredients. Note: in mixed berries, I am using strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Mix all the ingredients well and cook on a medium heat. As soon as mixture starts thickening, turn off the heat and remove it from the stove. Let it cool down a bit. During this period, make your pie crust. You can make this berry pie with double crusted covered pie or only with bottom crust. I'm making here double crusted pie. Pie dough recipe link is in description. Grease the 9 inches of pie dish. Roll the dough and cover the greased pie dish with a rolled dough. Cut the excessive dough and reuse it for top crust. Prick a pie crust with a fork before baking. This allows the steam to escape so that the pie crust doesn't puff up in the oven. Bake it on 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Add berry pie filling to partially bake pie crust. After baking, pie crust will shrink down a bit, but don't worry, you can easily cover it up. Brush the edges with a whisk egg. Cover the pie with rolled and designed dough. Design your top pie crust according to your wish. If you like to learn this design, check the link in description. Bake this pie on 350 Fahrenheit in preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until top crust turn nicely golden. Once pie crust turn nicely golden, remove it from the oven. Serve hot or cold according to your wish. You can also serve this delicious berry pie with a vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Note: you can also use this pie filling in different types of desserts and recipes, which I'll share soon. Stay connected. If you have questions regarding this recipe, ask in the comments below and kindly hit the like button. And if you have tried this recipe, come back and let me know how it was in the comments. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.